So my house burned down, and I decided to go with some solar. So I found these panels, Marketplace, 260 watts each. And then I've already made a little platform to stand on, and I bought these little L brackets on Amazon, SunTrack. Because I have some HQST solar panels, 100 watts, on the workshop right now. And it's doing good, but I feel like a tiltable array will be better. So I'll show you how I'm doing that. Alright, so over here at the property, I got some 2x4s. I've already drilled a 1-inch hole through. I got the pressure treated 4x4. And I went with the easy spike instead of actually putting it in concrete, because I don't know how permanent this will actually be. And then we got the grade 8 bolt, 1-inch bolt, washers, and the nut. And I'm going to get this assembled, and then I'll show you what it looks like. I still have to cut a few more boards to put them together, but I'll show you that in a second. Alright, so I cut about a foot, a little more than that, off of the stand, and still got a screw from where I had the line on it. I'm going to cut these blocks up into either 4 inches or 2-inch sections to put in between the poles. Alright, and I'll show you when I'm done. Alright, so after some sawing and hand sawing, we got 6 blocks. They are 4x4, and we'll use those to tie up the structure. And then I'll be putting those on it. I'll see you over there. So this is the setup I have. The grade 8 bolt, washer, nut, washers. And then I'm going to attach this board to here, and then another board on the side. There's going to be a washer in between each, and I'll show you. Alright, so we put the blocks on here and then made it steady. And then I have this attached. This is the middle beam. I'm going to have 2 others to put the solar panels on. I'm going to put those on and I'll show you. Well, running out of daylight, so I'll have to finish tomorrow. But this is what it looks like so far. Alright, I got it finished. Got the panels on. Doesn't look the best, but I did my best. So, yeah. Here's what it looks like. We're supposed to get some storms, so I got it kind of flat. That way it doesn't take off like a sailboat. And then I'll find the optimal spot to have it at a different date.